and that. He has backtracked on it. He cheated Mama Mbogas. He cheated the Boda Boda. Even now they are going with MPs giving Boda Boda people money, Mama Mboga. They are just eating the money. They will come out to vote him out. The other day, my local member of parliament brought some women here. The state lodge is here. It's about a kilometer from here. Sagana State Lodge here. And they are women I have known all my life. They are my supporters. And I've been with them for many years. And he organized to take them to State Lodge. And they called me, oh, we have been told by the MP to go to State Lodge. And do we go? I said, yeah, you go. There's a lot of money that was brought there with gunias. So please go and take. And if you are given more, I'm jobless. When I come home, you can give me something. So the women went there. They were 1,000. They were given each 8,000 shillings. And another 2 million for their cheerleader who had died to support in funeral. And they left. So the local MP was very happy. So during the funeral, he ferried those women to the funeral so that they can come and cheer him. So those women were there. He looked at them and he saw the other ones he took to the president to collect the money. So he started yapping. He did not go beyond the second sentence. He told him off, shut up. Go. The same women who were given 8,000 by William Ruto. A decision has been made in this area, this Mount Kenya region, based on a proverb that is very popular here, that huwezi kukubalia ndovu izikwe na pembe. Lazima uzitoe uizike bila pembe kwa sababu ni ujinga kuzika pembe na iko na dhamana. You understand? People have decided to take William Ruto's money before he goes home. And it doesn't matter how much money he brings here. He can bring money in cartons, he can bring in sacks, he can bring in billions.
He can't buy you back?
Not me. Forget about me.
You, if he comes back and
I'm
tells
just
you, I'm sorry.
No, forget about me. Forget about me.
What if he apologizes?
I'm saying, forget about me.
Yeah.
These rural women,
okay,
these rural boys, who will take his money and that is it. As for me, my brother, I'm priceless. What do I need the money for? It's a very beautiful home. I'm not paying rent to anybody. I live here. What do I need money for? This woman here, Pastor Dorcas, she's a pastor. Hana matumizi mingi. 2,000 ya nywele ametosheka. What do I need money for?
But what
why would I sell my soul? Why would I sell my soul?
Yeah.
Why would I sell my conscience for money? To do what with that money? Even if he apologized to me, it's meaningless. Me, I'll forgive him because I'm a Christian. But what about the people of Kenya? What about the payslip holders whose payslips he has raided? Will he apologize to them? What about the parents and relatives of the Gen Zs whom he killed? What apology can he give? Even today, he has never apologized. I would have expected when he was talking to that president and he was lying that the families have been brought back together, he would even have the moral conscience to offer an apology to the Gen Zs and to their parents and to the people of Kenya that they were killed. Yeah? How do you apologize to those families? How do you apologize to people who are going to hospital and SHA is not working? How do you apologize to teachers and students whose schools have collapsed because of non-funding? How do you apologize to people whose businesses have collapsed because of non-payment of pending bills? If William Ruto was to apologize to the people of Kenya, he would take 1.5 years every day just apologizing because he has wronged everybody and rubbed everybody the wrong way. So me, I don't have a problem. He can apologize to me. I'm very forgiving. But he has a job to do. And even if he apologizes, I don't think the people of Kenya would ever trust him again. Okay. He has lost their trust.
The remaining period of time, do you think is enough for a turnaround? Like, let's say, for example, today he gets up and says, I want to now do right. Do you think it's enough?
Where would he start? Would he give back the Davivi lad to the IDPs? Would he be willing? I don't think so. Would he be willing to stop doing business with Adil and Jayesh and Defki? I don't think so. Would he be willing to stop the stealing through the National Intelligence Service? I don't think so. There is nothing. He cannot turn around this country. He doesn't have the moral conscience to turn around this country.
Raila Odinga factor?
He's just an accomplice. Raila Odinga has given